Good morning, my dear students. My name is Ajush Sheikh and I am from Srimati R.S. Kalaria, and our subject is Environmental Science. And today we are going to start our unit number 1, our body. And the chapter 1 is how our body works. हमारा body काम कैसे करता है? The movements we do, the movement our body do, how we feel, the things that are hot and cold. हमें कैसे पता चलता है कि चीज़ें ठंडी है या गर्म है, चीज़ें सॉफ्ट है या हार्ड है. We all things we got the senses from our sense, and this is how our body work. Our body is just like a machine. हमारा body मशीन की तरह है जो पूरे regularly day and night work करता है. Our body is composed of various organs and they perform their own function in their own way. सभी body function अपने अपने function perform करते हैं. सभी body parts अपने function perform करते हैं उनकी different way में. There are two types of organs. We can see two categories of organs. The first one is external and the second is internal organs. External organs. External organs are the organs which can be seen or touched. We can say which is located on the surface of our skin. जिसे हम देख सकते हैं, जिसे हम छू सकते हैं, उसे हम कहते हैं external organ. जिसमें आते हैं nose, ears, eyes, etc. Skin, tongue, बहुत सी चीज़ें होती है जो external organ में गिनी जाती है. The second one is internal organ. Internal organs have lungs, kidney, liver, heart and many more things. इंटरनल ऑर्गन्स वो होते हैं जो ऑर्गन्स हमारी बॉडी के अंदर पाए जाते हैं. द ऑर्गन्स विच कैन नॉट बी सीन और टच, जिसे हम ना देख सकते हैं ना हम छू सकते हैं, उसे हम कहते हैं इंटरनल ऑर्गन. सो अनदर टॉपिक इज द स्केलेटल सिस्टम. द स्केलेटल सिस्टम इज मेड अप ऑफ स्केलेटल ऑर्गन. द स्केलेटल सिस्टम इज मेड अप ऑफ स्केलेटल ऑर्गन एंड इट्स मेड ऑफ द फ्रेमवर्क ऑफ बोन्स दैट मेक स्केलेटल ऑर्गन्स. That it includes 206 bones in an adult. Dear children, there are total 206 bones in an adult body. एक adult के अंदर 206 types के bones होते हैं. The skeletal system includes 4 types. There are 4 categories in skeletal system. The first one is skull. The second is backbone. The third is rib cage, and the fourth one is limbs. So let's see the detail about it. So let's see all the categories in detail. The first one is skull. It is the bony structure. Dear children, the skull is made up of bony structure which forms our head and the face. जो skull होता है वो bony structure का बना होता है. It protects brain from the injury. The skull helps to protect our brain from injury. It's help like a cage. एक पिंजरे की तरह, एक cage की तरह हमारे brain को protect करता है. The skull is made up of 22 bones. Dear children, there are total 22 bones in skull. The skull is made up of 22 bones. हमारे skull में total 22 bones होते हैं. It includes 8 flat bones that are interlocked together. हमारे skull में 8 flat bones होते हैं जो एक दूसरे से जुड़े हुए होते हैं, interlocked होते हैं. There are total 8 flat bones which are interlocked with each other. The facial region is formed of 14 flat bones. Our facial region is formed of 14 flat bones and which are connected to our upper jaw, and our lower jaw is moving freely. Now the next one is backbone. It is made up of total 33 small bones. In our backbone there are total 33 small bones. हमारे backbone में छोटे छोटे 33 small bones होते हैं. These bones are called vertebrae. These bones are known as vertebrae, and vertebrae is also known as backbone. Backbone is commonly known as spinal column. The vertebrae forms of long flexible tissue. The vertebrae is made up of long flexible tissues. वो long flexible tissue से बना होता है, उसमें total 33 small bones होते हैं. And it helps to transfer the signal to all our body parts. With the help of backbone or with the help of spinal column, we can say that it helps to transfer the signal to the various part of our body. हमारे body के various part में signal pass on होते हैं backbone की help से. And the third one is rib cage. Dear children, rib cage is just like a cage which protects our internal organ from damages. It protects our internal organ. हमारे internal organ को protect करता है. जो एक पिंजरे की तरह होता है। प्रोटेक्ट इंटरनल ऑर्गन्स लाइक हार्ट, लंग्स एक्सेट्रा। Yes, my dear children, ribcage protects our internal organs just like heart, lungs, liver, kidneys. All are our internal organs which are protected with the help of rib cage. The rib cage is formed of 12 pairs of ribs. In that, there are total 12 pairs in ribs. Ribs is formed of total 12 pairs. हमारे ribs में 12 pairs होते हैं. Ribs is made up of long and thin bones. Dear children, ribs जो होती है वो form होती है long and thin bones से. एकदम पतले और long bones होते हैं हमारे ribs के. And our ribs are connected to chest bone and our backbones. And there are two types of ribs which are not connected to our chest bones, which are known as floating bones. दो ऐसे ribs होती हैं, pair of ribs होती है जो हमारे chest bone से connected नहीं होती. इसे हम floating bones कहते हैं. The last one is limbs. Limbs allows movement. Yes, dear children, limbs allows movement to our body. हमारी body को movements allow करते हैं with the help of limbs. Limbs, upper and lower limbs are commonly called arms and legs. Yes, dear children, जिसे हम arms और legs कहते हैं उसे हम upper and lower limbs के नाम से भी जानते हैं. Upper and lower limbs are commonly known as arms or limbs. They are made up of various hollow bones. Dear children, the limbs are made up of hollow bones. The limbs that allows our body to movement, जो हमारी body को movement करना allow करता है, उससे वो hollow bone से बना होता है. And the collar bones are jointed to the shoulder girdle. The shoulder girdle होती है वो हमारे arm और spine से connected होती है. And the hip girdles are connected to our thigh bones and next to the knee bones. The next one is the circulatory system. The circulatory system is the system that supplies oxygen and food to our body. Our body is regular need of food and oxygen. हमारी body को regular food और oxygen की ज़रूरत होती है. So the circular system that supplies oxygen and food to our body. हमारे body में food और oxygen supply करता है with the help of circulatory system. Our body is constant and regular need of oxygen and food. हमारी body को constant और regular मतलब daily day to day basis पे oxygen और food की ज़रूरत होती है. It includes heart, blood and blood vessels. So let's see all in details. The first one is heart. Heart is a muscular organ that pumps blood through blood vessels. Dear children, heart is a muscular organ. Heart कैसा है? एक muscular organ है जो blood pump करता है with the help through blood vessels. Blood vessels के help से blood pump all over हमारी body में होता है. It is located in the middle compartment of chest. Heart is located in the middle compartment of chest. Lies between the lungs. हमारे दो लंग्स होते हैं, हम तो हमारे लंग्स के बीच में लाई करता है मतलब हमारे लंग्स के बीच में होता है हार्ट विच इज द मिडल कंपार्टमेंट ऑफ चेस्ट. द हार्ट इज डिवाइडेड इनटू 4 चैम्बर्स. हमारा हार्ट टोटल 4 चैम्बर्स में डिवाइडेड होता है एंड प्रोटेक्टेड बाय रिब केज. एज आई सेड रिब केज हमारे इंटरनल ऑर्गन्स को प्रोटेक्ट करता है. सो द हार्ट इज ऑल्सो आवर इंटरनल ऑर्गन, सो इट इज प्रोटेक्टेड बाय रिब केज. The chambers on the left side refers to the left heart. जो chambers है left side की वो left heart को refer करती है and the chambers on the right side refer to the right heart. जो right side की chambers होती है वो right heart को refer करती है. Second one is blood. Blood is the red fluid that flow inside our body. Dear children, blood is a red fluid which flows inside our body. हमारी body के अंदर flow करता है उसे हम blood कहते हैं. And supplies the necessary nutrients to all our body parts. हमारे body parts को all necessary nutrients जो हमारे body के लिए ज़रूरी nutrients होते हैं वो supply करता है हमारे पूरे body parts में. It acts as a transport system. Yes, dear children, we can say that it acts as a transport system. वो एक transport system की तरह act करता है क्योंकि वो नेसेसरी न्यूट्रिएंट्स हमारे बॉडी के ऑल ओवर हमारे बॉडी पार्ट्स में सप्लाई करता है. रेड सेल्स that carries ऑक्सीजन, रेड सेल्स में क्या होता है? ऑक्सीजन. इन आवर ब्लड देयर इज टू टाइप्स ऑफ सेल्स, रेड सेल्स एंड व्हाइट सेल्स. एंड इन रेड सेल्स कैरीज ऑक्सीजन, ऑक्सीजन कैरी करता है रेड सेल्स. व्हाइट सेल्स दैट प्रोवाइड अस इम्यूनिटी, इम्यूनिटी प्रोवाइड करता है हमें व्हाइट सेल्स. विद द हेल्प ऑफ व्हाइट सेल्स वी गेट इम्यूनिटी. Immunity is the power of our body to resist against the infection. Yes, immunity helps us to fight against infection. हमारी बॉडी को हेल्प करता है फाइट करने में इन्फेक्शन के अगेंस्ट. And the third and last one is blood vessels. Blood vessels transport blood throughout our body. Blood vessels transport blood throughout our body. हमारे पूरे बॉडी में ब्लड ट्रांसपोर्ट करती है blood vessels. There are three major types of blood vessels. Dear children, there are तीन major types की blood vessels होती हैं. The first one is arteries, the second is capillaries, and the third is veins. Arteries. Arteries carry blood away from the heart. Yes, dear children, artery carries blood away from heart. Capillaries enables the exchange of water and chemical. The capillary enable the exchange of water and chemical between the body and the tissues of our body. Veins carry blood from the capillaries back to the heart. Veins होती है वो blood वापस लेकर आती है to the heart. Capillaries from the heart. Veins carry blood from the capillaries back to heart. मतलब वो capillaries से वापस blood लेकर आती है heart तक. Now the next one is the muscular system. The muscular system includes smooth and cardiac muscles. Dear children, muscular system have smooth and cardiac muscles. Muscles होते हैं वो किस टाइप के होते हैं muscular system में? Smooth and cardiac. This system is controlled by the nervous system. The same system, muscular system, is controlled by nervous system. ये nervous system से control होती है. Muscles are the bundles of soft tissue that cause movement. Yes, muscles कैसे होते हैं? Bundles of tissues होते हैं that cause movement of our body. हमारी body का movement कर सकते हैं. The human body consists of about 650 muscles. Human body में कितने muscles होते हैं? 650 muscles होते हैं. And the three types of muscles are cardiac muscles, voluntary muscles, and involuntary muscles. First we see the cardiac muscles. Cardiac muscles, they are self-contracting and help in pumping blood. They are self-contracting, or most of the cardiac muscles are found inside the walls of heart. Heart की जो walls होती है उसमें cardiac muscles पाए जाते हैं and it helps in pumping of blood and they are self-contracting होते हैं. The second one is voluntary muscles. These muscles are under the human controls. वॉलेंटरी मसल्स किसे कहते हैं डियर चिल्ड्रन? जो ह्यूमन कंट्रोल्स के अंडर होते हैं, जिसे ह्यूमन कंट्रोल कर सकते हैं. दिस मसल्स आर कंट्रोल्ड बाय ह्यूमन. वी कैन से लाइक दिस बाय द इंडिविजुअल. और ये मसल्स कहाँ होते हैं? हैंड्स में, फिट में, नेक में, वहाँ पाए जाते हैं वॉलेंटरी मसल्स. The last one is involuntary muscles. Involuntary muscles. These muscles are not under the human control. जो involuntary muscles होते हैं वो human control में नहीं होते. They are not controlled by an individual. So these muscles are found inside our livers, kidneys, lungs, etc. The next topic is the respiratory system. Respiratory system. The organs include and used in the process of respirations. It involves the exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide. Dear children, respiratory system involves the exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide और oxygen का exchange होता है in the process of respiration. The respiration systems include nose, windpipe and lungs. Respiration system में क्या आता है? क्या include होता है? Nose, windpipe and lungs. Windpipe means which carries the air or the oxygen to the lungs and it acts as a mode of transportation. We can say like this. Respiration is the movement of oxygen into the body and carbon dioxide is given out of the body. Yes, in respiration, process of respiration, we intake the oxygen our body takes oxygen and gives out the carbon dioxide. हमारी बॉडी ऑक्सीजन अंदर लेती है जब हम सांस लेते हैं, और जब हम सांस रिलीज करते हैं तो वो कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड रिलीज करती है. Windpipe is the mode of transport. Windpipe is a mode of transport. First, we intake or we breathe from nose. The air goes in from the nose. Through the help of windpipe, वो air हम lungs तक पहुँचाते हैं. So we can say windpipe is a mode of transport and is divided into two parts. Windpipe कैसे दो part में divided होती है. The left one windpipe goes to left lung and the right one windpipe goes to right lungs. The oxygen we breathe in burns the food we eat and release the energy. जो ऑक्सीजन हम ब्रीदिंग करते हैं, जो ऑक्सीजन हम इंटेक करते हैं, वो हमारे फूड को बर्न करती है. जो हमने फूड खाया होता है उसे वो बर्न करती है एंड रिलीज द एनर्जी. The next one is the digestive system. The digestive system is a group of organs work together and convert food into energy. Dear children, digestive system is a group of organs which works together to convert our food into energy. Food we eat that converted into energy with the help of digestive system. In digestive system, it consists mouth, food pipe, liver, stomach, pancreas, small intestine and large intestine. The digestive system, the process of digestive system starts from mouth. First, we eat food from mouth, we chew and mixed with a saliva, and then it passes through food pipe. Food pipe is also known as esophagus. Food pipe. Then from food pipe, it goes to the stomach. In stomach, the digestive juices are released and do their action and churn the food and broke down the food into the small pieces. Then the food which is already churned and broke down goes to the small intestine. In small intestine, again the already churned food get the action of digestive juices and the same process repeated over there. After that, all the liquid is absorbed or the water is absorbed from that food and the solid goes to the large intestine. As we already know, the food pipe is also known as esophagus. The digestive juices release and convert the food into the thick solution in the large intestine, and then the water absorbs and the food or the solid form goes to the anus throughout our body. The next one is the excretory system. This system supports the process of removal of wastes from human body. ह्यूमन बॉडी से अनवांटेड सब्सटेंस और वेस्ट रिमूव करता है, उस प्रोसेस को एक्सक्रीटरी सिस्टम कहते हैं. द रिमूवल ऑफ अनवांटेड सब्सटेंस फ्रॉम बॉडी कॉल्ड एक्सक्रीशन. एक्सक्रीशन किसे कहते हैं? द रिमूवल ऑफ अनवांटेड सब्सटेंस एंड वेस्ट फ्रॉम ह्यूमन बॉडी. ह्यूमन बॉडी से रिमूवल ऑफ अनवांटेड सब्सटेंस को एक्सक्रीशन कहते हैं. इट इंक्लूड्स स्वीट ग्लैंड्स, liver, lungs, kidney, urethra, urinary bladders and urethra. ये सभी इंक्लूड होते हैं एक्सक्रीटरी सिस्टम में. The kidney regulates the balance of amount of water and salt in our body. Human body में बैलेंस करती है amount of salt and water. In human body, the kidney balance the amount of salt and water in our body. The kidney are in bean shape. Kidney होती है वो bean shape की होती है and keep us hydrated. वो हमें hydrated रखती है. The last one is the nervous system. The nervous system controls the nerves and provides body response. Dear children, nervous system provides the response to our body. What we feel, if we touch hot thing, it strike to our mind and say don't touch, it's hot. Means अगर नर्वस सिस्टम की हेल्प से हम किसी गर्म चीज़ को छूते हैं तो हमारी नर्वस सिस्टम हमारे ब्रेन में स्ट्राइक करती है और हमें कहती है कि डोंट टच इट, इट्स हॉट, ये गर्म है तो हम इसे नहीं छुएंगे. दिस ट्रांसमिट द सेंसेशन टू आवर बॉडीज. नेटवर्क ऑफ नर्व सेल्स विच ट्रांसमिट मैसेज टू अ वेरियस पार्ट ऑफ अवर बॉडी. नेटवर्क ऑफ नर्वस सेल्स का जो नेटवर्क है वो ट्रांसमिट करता है मैसेजेस को to the various part of our body and pass out the sensation to our body. It's coordinate the voluntary and the involuntary actions of our body. there are main organs which are the brain, spinal cord and nerves. These three are the main organs in the nervous system. Nervous system की ये तीन main organs है, brain, spinal cord and nerves. First we will see brain. Brain, it is a soft nervous tissues in the skull. एक soft nervous tissue है skull में, और we can say also that the brain is the master organ of our body. Without brain we don't get any action or any message, so we can't do anything. हम कुछ नहीं कर सकते. So it is the master or main organ of our body. It has three types. इसके तीन types होते हैं. The first is cerebrum, cerebellum and the medulla. These are the three parts of the brain. Now the next one is the spinal cord. It is a cylindrical bundles of nerves, fibers and tissues. Spinal cord एक cylindrical form का और cylindrical structure का होता है, जिसके अंदर the bundles of nerves, fibers and tissues, bundles of nerves, fibers and tissues से बना हुआ होता है, जो कि हेल्प करता है हमारी, वो ब्रेन से कनेक्टेड होता है, तो हमें हेल्प करता है टू ट्रांसमिट द मैसेजेस टू आवर बॉडी एंड गेट द सेंसेशंस. द लास्ट वन इज नर्व्स. They are the bundle of fibers that transmit the sensation to our brain or the spinal cord. Yes, dear children, nerves are also the main. Due to the help of nerves की हेल्प से हम मैसेज ट्रांसमिट कर सकते हैं to brain or spinal cords.